Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today, we've got an exciting topic that many of you have been asking for. Workout for belly fat. If you've been struggling to shed those stubborn pounds around your midsection, don't worry, we've got your back. Before we dive into the workout routine, let's quickly understand what belly fat is and why it's essential to tackle it. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is the excess fat stored around our abdominal organs. It poses a higher risk for various health conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. Reducing belly fat goes beyond just aesthetics. It's about improving your overall well-being. And remember, spot reduction isn't effective. Instead, we'll focus on a combination of cardio, strength training, and healthy nutrition to get you those results you desire. First up, let's talk about cardio exercises. Cardio helps burn calories and boost your metabolism, making it an excellent tool for burning belly fat. Jump rope. Jumping rope is an inexpensive and highly effective cardio workout. Aim for 20 minutes daily. Running or jogging. Running and jogging are classic cardiovascular workouts that get your heart pumping. Start slow and gradually increase your distance and pace. Cycling. Whether outdoors or using a stationary bike, cycling is another fantastic way to burn calories and engage your core. Now, let's step it up a notch with high-intensity interval training or HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by short recovery periods. It's an incredible fat-burning workout. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and alternate, bringing your knees towards your chest. Burpees. Start by squatting. Place your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump back up. High knees. Stand in place and run with your knees lifting as high as possible. Strengthening your core is vital for a toned belly and improved posture. Let's go through some targeted exercises. Plank. Get into a plank position, resting on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line and engage your core. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring your knees up, and mimic a cycling motion while reaching your opposite elbow to the opposite knee. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor with your hands. Combining total body strength training with cardio will help you burn even more calories and build lean muscle. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and squat down as if you're sitting in a chair. Deadlifts. Hold a dumbbell or a barbell in front of your thighs. Hinge at the hips and lower the weight while keeping your back straight. Push-ups. Start in a plank position and lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. No workout routine is complete without a proper diet. Here are some nutrition tips to support your belly fat loss journey. Focus on whole foods. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help with digestion and avoid mindless snacking. Limit processed foods. Cut down on sugary snacks, sodas, and fried foods. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive workout plan to target that stubborn belly fat. Remember, consistency and patience are key on this journey. Combine these exercises with a balanced diet, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, fitter you. Host. Smiling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or need further guidance, drop them in the comments below. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Keep crushing those fitness goals.